What's going on? It's Anthony from S2K and the Ant, and today I am showing you how to take the front door panel off of a 2003 Lexus LS430. I believe this should work for pretty much every Lexus LS430 they made, so I think that's 2000 through 2006, I believe. I could be wrong, but this is how you do it. So first things first, you got to take off this plastic trim to get to the screw behind it. And what I like to use for that is I have a set of plastic tools used so I don't scratch the plastic. So take off the trim like so, pop it off like that, and then there is the screw right here. It's a little dark, but you'll see it. And just remove that. Okay, that's one screw. And next is you have to pop this piece up and remove the connectors that connect to the harness. And there's a screw back there too. Once again, I'm using a plastic tool. I should use this right angle one. Pry it up from back here. There we go. Comes up just like that. And these two harnesses, connectors, remove that. And two. Those two. And then that exposes the screw there. And you remove that, the screwdriver. Now there's also a screw underneath here, and then you just remove that with a screwdriver. Okay. And after you remove that screw, there are 3 screws that are under this trim right here. So you can see one right there. The second one's right here. And the third one's here in the corner. So 1, 2, 3. And you also remove that with a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so after these 3 screws are out, and there's one last screw, which is in here. You can see it right there. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or a socket. I'm going to use a screwdriver. Now once you have removed all the screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you should be able to pull out and up on the door panel. There are some lock wires that are connected to this, and I believe there's a harness wire connected to the bulb down here also. So I usually just start pulling around sides, and it gets it loose, and then once it's loose, just kind of lift it up, and you disconnect those harnesses and the wires here, and that's how you do it. kind of hard to see within a car, but to remove those wires, basically the ball part of the wire, you string it through where that hole is and pull it from under and just pull out. Same thing with the bottom one. Just pull it through that fitting and then pull out the connector. That's what the lock mechanism looks like. And that is it. That's how you remove the front door panel on a Lexus LS430. So if you like that content, let me know what else I can do. And please subscribe. Thanks.